Okay, so if you use the shear tool to shear an object, technically there's three ways to do this, but it really only works effectively one way. So if I'm in the shear tool right now and I hit the return key, it's going to do it from the center. I use the shear tool to basically make drop shadows with objects. So inside the shear tool, I'm going to pick a point to shear from and shear back, holding down the option key to make a clone copy. Then it would send that to the back command shift left bracket, and then using my opacity and a little production technique with my cursor inside the opacity or any dialog box inside of Illustrator. If I hit the up or down arrow key, I can change the properties. If I hit the shift key, I can do it by 10% or 10 points at a time. Now if I hide the edges, command H, that will hide the edges of what I'm selecting. So it's still selected to be affected. So again, I use the shear tool to basically create drop shadows like this. Another production technique, if I want to hide all the tabs, I can simply hit the tab key. The tab key will hide